Welcome back. Dilshad Muhammad, your nutritionist. As I always say, food is a cause and cure for several diseases. Disturbed sleep, though not a medical condition, can affect your life. Are you having trouble drifting into a peaceful, nourishing slumber? You are not sitting up at night alone. More than 60 million Americans suffer from poor quality of sleep. Disturbed sleep is more than an inconvenience that leaves you dragging the next day. It can affect your emotional and physical health. It impacts negatively your concentration, memory, and mood. It also can boost risk for your type 2 diabetes, depression, heart diseases, and hypertension. It is not necessary that you should have a prescription for sleep aid. There are several ways which are natural you can try and see if they can improve your sleep. Today I'm going to explain 5 beautiful home remedies that may help get a better sleep. The first home remedy is drink up. Nope, not alcohol. It can interfere with your sleep. Some evidence suggests warm milk, chamomile tea, tart cherry juice. Though there is not much scientific evidence that any of these night drinks work to improve your sleep, there is no harm in trying them. If you're looking for some alternative treatment with no side effects and drug interactions, you can try any of these drinks. Warm milk. Why? It is believed to be associated with chemicals that stimulates the effect of tryptophan on your brain. This is chemical building block for substance serotonin, which is involved in sleep-wake transition. Chamomile tea. It is believed to have flavonoids that may interact with benzodiazepine receptors in your brain that are also involved in sleep-wake transition. There's another advantage with chamomile tea is this tea doesn't have any caffeine unlike green tea. Now, tart cherry juice, this is believed to help in melatonin production for smooth healthy life cycle. Exercise. Physical activity can improve sleep, though researchers are not completely sure why. It is known that moderate aerobic exercise boosts the amount of nourishing slow wave sleep you get, that is deep sleep. But you have to plan it in a right time. Why? Aerobic exercise releases chemicals endorphins that keeps you awake. That's why after this physical activity, you will be more energized. And another thing what happens here is it raises your core body temperature. This spike signals the body it's time to get up and get going. So if you are planning to have your physical activity for better sleep, you need to plan before 2 hours of your bedtime. Otherwise, instead of sleeping, you will end up being awake all night. You can use melatonin supplements. I use this word while explaining about tart cherry juice, which helps in the production of melatonin. So melatonin is a hormone that is naturally released in the brain 4 hours before we feel a sense of sleepiness. This is triggered by the body's response to the reduced light exposure, which should naturally happen in the night. This is the process behind this sleep in the night. That means the moment it is night, it is dark, your body respond to this reduced light, then automatically this melatonin will be released and you feel sleepy. But nowadays, the unnatural light through plenty of lights in our home, phones, laptops, and all these are disturbing our sleep, and it's really hard to sleep because we can't avoid sometimes working in the nights, which is necessary for our livelihood. In that case, you have an option of buying these supplements over the counter where you do not need any kind of prescription. But you need to make sure you are buying the same brand because FDA does not regulate these supplements. That's why whenever you are buying or planning to buy, try to have same brand, same manufacturer, because every manufacturer manufactures them differently. Per pill doses and ingredients will differ from manufacturer to manufacturer. So you should buy same brand. If you are planning to buy online, make sure that you are buying from known source. Keep cool. It is a good idea to have the ideal temperature for your thermostat between 65 and 72 degrees. Women who are going through menopause and experiencing hot flashes should keep room as cool as possible and wear cotton or breathable fabrics in the night. Go dark. It is known fact that light from smartphone interferes with our sleep. That's why I try to mute all my WhatsApp groups in the night because I can't keep my phone on a silent mode because I expect calls from other country. So in that case, I just plan how to make sure that my smartphone light is not disturbing me. Now it's up to you how you manage that. What about bathroom lights? Do you know we just go take our bathroom breaks? But this also disturbs our sleep and it's a natural process. Once you go for bathroom breaks, it will take 30 minutes again to go to that deep sleep cycle. So, bathroom lights may also disturb our sleep, and the recent recommendations are that using the flashlight because flashlight may offer less light disruption to our sleep. So now you need to decide how you need to make sure that some lights in the night are not disturbing your sleep. These are the 5 excellent home remedies for a better sleep. Try these home remedies and share your experiences in comments. If you're new to my channel, I request you to subscribe, like and share my videos with your loved ones for best nutrition tips. Visit my website for more nutritional information. You can also connect with registered dietitians, yoga instructors, personal trainers and nutritional coaches through my website. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.